morning, team. Today we're diving into something crucial for our company's growth, our compensation strategy. We'll cover the 7 P's that make a compensation plan not just fair, but strategically powerful. Ready? Let's get started. First, we must wisely allocate our compensation dollars. For example, if we have $1,000, we might spend 90% on salaries and 10% on benefits, splitting that further into health, retirement, tuition support, and so on. This keeps our costs controlled and predictable.
Second, we build competitive salary range and benchmarking just inside and outside our industry. Ensure we pay fairly and attractive talents.
Routine salary audits. We need to ask, are our salaries still competitive? Are these jobs growing fields or declining ones?
Fourth, never underestimate benefits. Health insurance retirement plans, tuition reimbursement is often fix the balance for candidates deciding between us and our competitors.
Fifth, performance management system. Fifth key, strong performance management. Clear goals, regular coaching, and honest that how we link performance to work.
C. We must stay legally compliant, minimum wage laws, overtime rules, anti-bias hiring practices. No strategy is effective if it's illegal.
Finally, structure is everything. Assign responsibilities, schedule salary audits, and have clear timelines for and raises and bonuses.
Compensation isn't just about paychecks. It's about valuing people, driving performance, and building a company culture of a success. And I am excited to hear your questions or suggestions.